Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Friends. Today I have a taste test. So I'm testing out my glasses on. This is the P.F. Chang's home menu beef and broccoli. Beef with the savory garlic soy sauce and broccoli. Okay, they can stay in, eat like you didn't. At P.F. Chang's restaurants, the food is made from scratch every day in every location. And when you can't make it to the restaurant, nothing comes closer to the flavors you love than P.F. Chang's home menu. So there's a P.F. Chang's at the mall where I go to, but I have never tried their food, and I may go there soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to try this out. So I'm going to warm it up in the microwave, and then I will be right back, okay? I just got back from the doctor, y'all. And I am hungry. I can eat a big dinosaur, okay? I'm so hungry. I, for the most part, haven't had a real appetite in a while. And like I always say, I end up eating a lot of junk food and stuff like that. But I'm hungry for food today. I really am. I'm hoping this P.F. Chang's is right, okay? Put my glasses back on. I want to thank my new subscribers for coming along. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this mess of a YouTube channel, okay? To my old subscribers, I love y'all. Right, baby dolls? Right, my fabulous, fabulous gentlemen. And gentlemen, don't think I'm flirting, because if y'all taking you got a girlfriend or a wife, I'm not flirting with you, okay? I'm not into that mess. I love you, baby dolls, and my fabulous, fabulous gentlemen. Y'all know who you are. I got some secret watchers too. Welcome. Thanks for watching me. I know I'm in a silly mood today. So if you go to P.F. Chang's restaurant, what meal do you recommend if I go? Because I may go possibly next month. I may go. I haven't really been enjoying food here lately, so. But I will try them out and see whether they are any good. So I'm waiting for this food. I'm waiting for this food. I got me some lemonade. So, yes. Doctor told me to stop drinking caffeine and sodas. I don't drink a whole lot of sodas, but I do drink them sometimes. And he don't want me to drink iced tea. That's basically all that I drink is iced tea with lemon in it. And sometimes fruit juices. I like that Minute Maid peach juice. That is so good. It's so sweet though, but it's so good. So yeah, he told me to get off that caffeine and no sodas. And when you get my age, everything is a no. No this, no that, no this, no that. When is somebody gonna say yes? Right? Everything is so limited now. So that's my P.F. Chang's. Lord, 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 thank you for this fabulous meal that I'm about to enjoy, hopefully. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit watery, but that's to be expected because it was frozen. P.F. Chang's. Let me try the broccoli first. Is it Changin or is it not Changin? I'm gonna try this beef. Some more of this beef. I need to put it in the microwave some more before I can make my decision, y'all. The clock is ticking for me to eat this food, okay? Because I usually don't eat no breakfast or anything before I go to the doctor or go anywhere, because some places are limited. Some places won't let you use their bathroom. The doctors, they will, unless something is wrong, but they'll let you use theirs. But stores and stuff, they won't let you use their bathrooms. The mall, that's why I go there, they will let you use the bathroom. It smells so good. So I got a little hint of what it tastes like, but I want to really be able to judge fairly this food. Get some of this lemonade. Lemonade! They probably gonna take me off this too. Already bad enough you can't, not supposed to eat sugary things and sugar and those artificial sweeteners just don't do it. There is one that I reviewed and I forgot the name of it. My sister told me about it. That tastes just like sugar, but it comes in a real little container. And when you are a diabetic, you want a nice amount of the product to be able to, make your juices, your tea, lemonade, or whatever you want to make. Kool-Aid, if you drink Kool-Aid. But this one I got today has that aftertaste, and I'm dealing with it because I want something to drink. So basically the doctor is telling me don't even drink the sugar-free soda. Yes, here it is. And it's more watery. The broccoli is okay. Let me get into this beef again. The beef would be good if it didn't have this aftertaste. It has an aftertaste. And these companies always say they taste like the restaurant food, and it really doesn't. Now, I haven't been there, but I know in person that beef probably wouldn't taste that way. could eat it by itself. Oh, I messed my clothes up. I could eat it by itself with just the beef. I mean, I could eat it by itself with just the broccoli. That beef ain't doing it for me. No, 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 no. The broccoli is bearable, but it's not spectacular or anything. I had my mouth set for this though. Lemonade, cool, refreshing drink. At my doctor's office today, I saw the guy that plays in Power Book. I don't know if it's Power Book 3 or 4 with Tommy. The black guy, I can't think of his name right offhand. He was at the doctor's office. He had on a uniform, like he works in healthcare too. Now, I had heard the rumor that they are going to cancel the Power Book with Tommy in it. I know the other one with Tyreek, Mary J. Blige, Power Book 2. They canceling that too, but you know what I think? I think that 50 Cent is putting these shows together too fast. Instead of just going on with maybe 1 or 2, you putting a whole lot together, and then you're waiting and waiting for it to start back, and you start forgetting some things, you know, if it takes too long to come back. I hope they don't cancel BMF. That's my show there. Let me wipe this off. I need a bib. Boy, that's messy. Let me try this beef again. That's a big piece right there. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Next time I may try a vegetable only meal from them, because that wasn't that good. And I done stained my blouse all up for nothing. That's not their fault, it's mine though. I should get me some of them fabric napkins and put around here. So again, please let me know, how was P.F. Chang's restaurant, their food? And I know it doesn't taste like that. I'd be so upset when I buy stuff. I buy stuff and I be expecting it to taste good and it's not. And it's like, it's a big waste of money. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always being here. Okay, have a good afternoon, and I will see you again in another video.